What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Now, we all know that I'm a huge fan of XRP, right? I talk about how much XRP I have, I talk about how much I've made from it. I'm obviously excited about all the movement that we've seen within this project. And when we look at the bigger picture, we look at Ripple, we look at the connections, we look at the partnerships, and we also look at things that are being built. And I think that's where we haven't really explored too much is, what's being created, what's being, put in front of people's faces from the, XRPL and anything associated with it. I feel as though we kind of need that portion of as well. I've seen a lot of people that have expressed to me memes, right? We need to now look at the memes that are, created right in front of our faces on the XRPL. And I think this is something that I want to explore a little bit further as well, right? I'm just really getting into the kind of the starting point of those, but this is going to be one of those videos. We have a project to bring to the table that I think is moving consistently, that looks really, really good. And I think it might have or pique a little bit of interest in a lot of people that watch my videos. So feel free to check out the links to Phoenix down below. We're going to be talking about Phoenix in this video, and hopefully you guys enjoy it in exactly what it is and what they have in store. But before we get started, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that I'll have down below for Phoenix that you guys can look and research yourself. I 100% implore you guys to look at what we have and or look at what they have when it comes to the website, it comes to Twitter, it comes to the chart, it comes to just everything that they have to offer before you decide to make a decision, because it makes you feel amazing about what you are buying and you believe in something a little bit more. When you have conviction in something, then you know that you will hold or you will average into it. You know that you'll be more into it, right? So anyways, check out all those links down below, but let's go ahead and dive into this. So here's the website, phoenix.lol. The Phoenix rises again. Phoenix is here to be the ultimate symbol of the resilience of XRP in the face of adversity. Endless memes. You can go in here and check their memes by just clicking on memes. You'll see all the different memes that they do have. You can also go to their Twitter account, which their Twitter has 5,000 followers at the moment. You can see their link tree and everything that they do have there, so that you don't have to have multiple links. But again, you can check out all the links in the description below. But you can see when they are live, what's going on with it, any memes that they do have associated there, and everything there. So let's go back into the website. Why Phoenix? Throughout its history, XRP has always resisted and risen again. Recently, the most significant event has been the SEC lawsuit. Many people thought it marked the end of XRP, but they forgot that its symbol is the phoenix, the legendary mythological bird that rises from its ashes again and again, eternally. XRP is back, stronger than ever, and XR Phoenix will stand will stand by its side, reminding everyone of its true roots, of its history. Just like XRP, Phoenix is indestructible. What is planned? So you have huge marketing. You're looking for CEX listings, partnerships, community focus. So different things that they're looking for when it comes to the meme side of things, creating popularity, continuing that popularity, as well as having CEX listings to continue the growth of that, right? The FOMO and the ultimate build onto that popularity as well. Rise up with the Phoenix Army. Add the sunglasses to your profile picture. Let us show the world the Phoenix power. There is a transparent PG, so you can basically get this and you can add the Phoenix glasses to your profile picture to kind of continue on that meme side and again grow the popularity. We are not here to take part. We are here to take over. Rise up. Now this is how to buy. So step one, you would buy your XRP, buy XRP on a CEX or bridge for XRP on Chains Now or something similar. Step two would be to create a wallet, create your own wallet on First Ledger, either on a TGBot or the web version. And then you have step three, send XRP and Ape. Send your XRP to your new wallet and Ape into, there's the address there. So it's fairly simple. You can go ahead and click buy now and it will take you to the firstledger.net to where you can really get started and you know, get into holding the Phoenix and believing in this project as well. Now, let's look at the chart more maybe like a 1,000-foot view rather than just looking at a 10,000-foot view. We'll back up in a little bit. But right now, if we look at where this has started, because that's all we really have is from December to where we are, this looks consistent, right? The growth is definitely more consistent than what you've seen. Typically, when you see anything that launches, right, you're going to see it absolutely skyrocket and then retrace from that level and then kind of start over in and hopefully create consistency. There's a lot of times where you'll see it increase, decrease all the way, and then increase again and then decrease all the way, and then it will flatten out and kind of never recover again. We've seen different projects that do that. Not with Phoenix, right? You see the movement. It's kind of that consolidation in the beginning. You see a little bit of maybe hesitancy, catch it at a low price, and now you see it kind of make a moves, create higher highs, higher lows, different consolidation points as well. So whether you're sitting in this consolidation point, or this consolidation point, we now have the ability to see some positivity and some negativity, but it's currently sitting at a $16.8 million market cap with $1.13 million worth of volume. So it has a level of popularity, even though it really only has a like one place to where you can purchase it, as far as I know, because you don't have the ability to look at it on CoinMarketCap yet, but you will see it tracked on CoinMarketCap, on CoinGecko, on different places. But here is the contract as well. If you guys wanted to go into that, you can look at that on Dex Tools. So you go to Dex Tools and you'll be able to look at the contract itself. But yeah, the consistency looks great. I love seeing projects that actually show solid growth. And this is something that's showing that. And it hasn't yet had that major like boom moment, right? It's currently sitting at a $16 million market cap, which means that this could be the meme coin of meme coins, right? Could take off to a $1.6 billion market cap, right? Not just a $100 million market cap. So seeing the things grow this consistently, seeing the possibility and potential within it, honestly is giving me, a thought like, hey, this could be so much more. And honestly, with all the different pieces that are in place, you could see a lot more popularity, and that popularity will lead to FOMO, which leads to CEX listings, which leads to more FOMO, which leads to more popularity, and so on and so forth. So I'm kind of excited about it. Currently at a $17 million market cap, $604,000 worth of liquidity, 100% of the supply that is out there. You don't have to worry about that. The total supply, you have 588 or 589 billion coins that are there. So definitely go ahead and check it out if you guys are interested in a meme coin project related to XRP, built on XRP. I feel as though, that's something we can all get behind. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.